All right, Ryan, buddy. What's the deal with these funky suspenders? What's the deal with this sign back here? Why you hang out with people like me today? What are you about to do right now, man?
I'm gonna jump out of an airplane.
That's right, man.
12,000 feet.
You go flying out of an airplane, 2.5 miles up.
Yeah.
Bombing to the ground at 120 miles an hour.
I'm ready.
At least, you're a big dude. You're probably going 125, 130.
I'm ready.
You ready for this, all right?
Yeah.
Are these people ready for this?
I hope so. They
All
better
right,
be.
man. Your job out there is to lead the business to Bundy, and you're here for the party, man.
Absolutely.
Smile big, scream out, go nuts
Absolutely.
for these people, okay?
Yeah.
Anything you want to say before we get out of here and go fly?
I'm excited.
Let's do it,
Let's
man.
do it.
Let's make it look good. See you up there, buddy.
Tiptoed it in like a little ballerina, buddy. Woo. You guys made that look good, you know that, man?
Yeah.
What do you want to say to the guy that just saved your butt over there?
Awesome, man. Awesome.
And what do you want to say your friends and family just watched you do that?
Right, man. You gotta try it. It's awesome.
You're a maniac, man. Awesome job, buddy.